You know, so from the other day, one little thought in my head though. You know, so I'm going to try for my visa.
You know, so my daughter, she's stubborn, so till, I don't know, like when time stubbornness I give her, she go in a line 100 times.
Girl, I don't have no money for that. I'm not even think so you fi try get no visa either. Because what if you not get it? Government not give back your money?
If I never, my prayer might be done get long time. You remember me tell you that? I don't understand how you become so ungodly.
Well, I'm going to get through, get the white paper, girl.
You don't say.
Today, we are send back some dirty mind, and we are send back some bad mind, and we are send back those that fight against us.
Them always have it easy, you know. If them get robbed and them take nothing, they can't get it back. They have money.
Sometimes I feel like me and a friend again, you know. No, for true.
Me make for come check you.
And I'm asking you to guide her and protect her from those kind of friends who plan to lead her astray.
Calm down. Calm down. You want to finish the job or not, look over.
You don't feel like you do too much.
Too much what? Prayer can't too much.
Live little bit now. You can't make your mother old alone. She a Christian, you're not Christian.
Anything the devil put on you. And not even going to say I'm going to send it back to the sender, but in the name of Jesus, it shall leave you.